Scottails, oh! Hi everybody, thank you, and welcome to another episode of Scottails. My name is Scott Hostetler. You know, I heard the invisible man married the invisible woman. I really don't know what they saw in each other. To be honest, their kids aren't much to look at either. Okay. Anyway, I'm glad you stopped by today because we've got a great drink called the Giny Germaine. It is from David Leibowitz's book, Drinking French. And that's a book that's great, got great cocktail recipes and appetizer recipes and some stories about the Paris cafe lifestyle. And the Giny Germaine is named for its two main ingredients, gin and Saint-Germain Elderflower liqueur. This is a wonderful summer drink. It was developed by Antoine Goldschmidt at the Poulette Cafe in Paris, France. And it goes something like this. I'm going to show you how to make it. First, we've got 3 cucumber slices, about 1/4 inch thick, and we are going to put in 1 egg white. Now, if you could use pasteurized egg white if you wanted, but we're going with real egg white. And then we muddle those just to break up the cucumber to get that nice, summery, fresh flavor. This drink is sweet and really doesn't taste like much alcohol at all. Ding, ding. So anyway, we start with 1½ ounces of gin. We are using Highclere Castle gin. It is 87 proof and it's very nice, very nice. Then we use 0.75 ounces of lemon juice right in there. Then 0.75 ounces of simple syrup right there. And just to top it off, we're going to use 0.75 ounces of Saint-Germain Elderflower liqueur. Then what we're going to do is then we add ice, and we're going to give this an aggressive shake. Now, you could use a dry shake, and what that is you shake all the ingredients without the ice, and then you put the ice in, you shake it again. But Antoine says with a cucumber, it doesn't really make much of a difference. So we're going to shake this aggressively with the egg white for about 20-25 seconds. Now, what is an aggressive shake? Is it a, hey buddy, move it, it's the one next to the brake? No, I don't think so. It's just hard and shaky. And, why do blurry people always ask me if I'm drunk? We get a nice coupe glass, aggressive shake of this little martini, if you will. And then we pour it in there, and we're going to have a nice foam. It's going to separate into the egg white foam on top and the nice drink on the bottom. All we do then is just put a cucumber on it, and then we give it a taste, shall we?
Yes!
Again, very refreshing. You're not tasting alcohol really at all. Cucumber, the lemon, the simple syrup. It is a wonderful, wonderful drink. I think you're going to like it. And you see it's got the nice separation. Very pretty for your guests, too. So, I was watching the Australian MasterChef, and this guy made meringue, and everybody cheered. Hooray, hurrah. And I thought that was odd, because normally in Australia, they boo meringue. How do I do it? Remember to like and subscribe so you can get all the notifications and you'll know what's going on Scottails. And send in your suggestions. If you've got a drink you want us to show, send it in the comments and we'll give it a go. So remember what we say. Drink up, because it's almost closing time somewhere. Probably Australia.